Today, my friends, we got not one, but two brand new tools from Milwaukee M18. Now, if you're a subscriber to this channel, which I'm sure you are, you would know that I love bringing new tools to the channel for you all to see, and here we go. You see right here behind me, I got the brand new 15 and 16 gauge Milwaukee M18 fuel finish nailers. Now, if you have tried any of the brand new Milwaukee nailers, they have been fantastic. All right, the framing nailer, a little heavy. But other than that, the brad nailers, the pin nailer, this pin nailer right here, I have so many comments of people that actually are switching over to the Milwaukee line simply because of this M12 pin nailer. I'll leave a card for you to check it out. Long story short, we got all of the new Milwaukee nailers, but let's take a look at the newest ones. So these are the kits, model numbers right here, and I'll also put a link in the description below for you. But what are you gonna get? You're gonna get the bag, the carrying case, you're gonna get the battery charger, you're gonna get one 2.0 battery, and you're gonna get the nailer itself. Let's open these up, test them out, and cross my fingers that they are as good, not better, than the ones we've already tested on this channel. All right, just a heads up, the chargers that you get with these nailers, they're not the rapid chargers, which is kind of a bummer. These are also not the high output batteries, which I already knew that when I seen they were 2.0. The high output start at 3.0 and up, which is fine by me because these nailers don't take that much energy to fire and these will work just fine. And they'll also help you keep the weight down on these nailers if you're weak and feeble. All right, now we got a couple of fully charged 2.0s and we're ready to go. And just so you can see, today's testing, we'll be using these brand finish nails. So right here, I got some of that sweet, sweet oakage. Let's do a couple tests on the 16 gauge with this, and then we'll move it over to the 15 gauge. All right, so here we go. Single shot, we're gonna get down through this oak into the pineage. Single shot. Oh, yeah. Now I'm sinking these all the way down. So now what I'm gonna do is adjust it. Bring the stop relax. So, all right, that's all the way up. We'll see what it does. Okay, so it leaves it up, just like I was hoping. Excellent. Now we go Rambo mode. Hold that button right there, switches over. Adjust this back down, like so. Bump. I left one stand here, but I think there's actually a screw down in underneath. You see, I reused my 2x4s because I'm cheap. Let's move it over to the 34 degree 15 gauge. Single shot mode, y'all. We'll turn this on. Single shot mode. 3, 2, 1. Oh, it's beautiful. Yes. Yes. Oh. Hit our button right here and do a Rambo mode. See how it switches over? It's real nice like. 3, 2, 1. Whoa. Let's do a couple toenails here. Sank it down, sank it down, sank it down, sank it down. Excellent. Bring it along the other side here. Excellent. Oh, that's real nice. And you got that sweet, sweet LED light right here. And what's real nice like about these LED lights right here is that they don't shut off as soon as you release the trigger. They stay on for about 5-6 seconds and then they'll go off, so you still have some lightage, and that's real nice like. And just so you know, you can hold 110 finish nails in here. And the specs that I read off are basically the exact same on each nailer. Nail size, 1.25 up to 2.5 inches. Nails per charge, 750. You can fire 3 nails per second? What? And you also have contact actuation, which allows you to do the bump fire, or what I like to call Rambo mode. Or you could do single shot, whatever. Right there is how you change everything. It's all digital. Just switch the modes by pushing the mode button, and you got the single shot or the bump mode action. You see what I'm doing right here? Just holding that in for a second, turns green. Push that in for a second. It'll switch to Rambo mode, to single mode. Real easy to do. Hell, this will even tell you when your battery's about to go kaput. Oh yeah, you got 2 different size bump pads right here. 3 all together. And your depth adjustment, you got that wheel right there. Real easy to turn. I'm happy with that. And they both got a quick release right here in case you get a jam, which I can tell you I've never had on a Milwaukee IA nailer. Now, looking at these nailers, you would assume that they are big and bulky. They are a little bulky, but not that bad, and they're actually pretty light. So if you're working overhead, you're not gonna have an issue with these. They also fire terrific, really nice squeeze on that trigger, and as soon as you pull it, boom, that nail gets sunk, whatever. Grip on these things feel great. Love the easy digital switch mode, just like on all of their newer nailers. However, I will say one thing, the 34 degree, that's great. The 20 degree nailer, I'm not real sure about. Like me personally, I probably would have liked to have seen a, straight finish nailer. And I'll tell you why. The 20 degree nails at my local store are really hard to find. As a matter of fact, the only ones I could find are these Paslows right here. And there was a lot of dust on them when I bought them. Not too many people going after the 20 degree. I just think you would have had a lot more option if you went with the straight finish nailer instead of the 20 degree. That's just my opinion. Maybe you're excited about the 20 degree. I just think that, That said, this and this are fantastic and fit really well in the new lineup of the Gen 2 Milwaukee nailers. See, Milwaukee IA did a fantastic job on these, and I am definitely recommending. If you don't mind the 20 degree, you're gonna love these freaking things. I'll leave a link in the description below for you to check them out. Really, really good job, really built well, feels great in the hands, not too heavy. Yes, you can go down through hardwoods, oak, maple, any molding. If you're building furniture, whatever, I'm telling you, check these out. Adjustments, like always, very easy to make. Also, that quick release right there if you get a jam, which I really don't get jams on the Milwaukee IA nailers. They seem to be pretty good for me. It's awesome. No gas cartridges, no air, just 100% battery power. And I will say this, Milwaukee IA, what do you think about the new Milwaukee IA finish nailers? Do you like them? Do you not like them? I love hearing that freaking comment in the comment section below, so make sure you leave one. Also, if this video has helped you in any sort of way, please don't forget to smash that like button. Appreciate it. I always appreciate you stopping by with that. We'll be back with more videos soon.